Hey there, welcome to today's video. Let's dive into a common problem that many users face when trying to flash firmware onto their devices. Picture this: you have a white rabbit switch that needs to download firmware using TFTP from the address 0.0.0.0. But for some reason, it's just not working when connected to your LAN. Frustrating, right? But fear not, we got a solution to this pesky problem right here for you. Now, the solution to our problem involves a clever workaround. You'll need to disconnect the device from your LAN and connect it directly to your computer via Ethernet. By doing this, you can ensure that the TFTP transfer uses the correct IP address assigned by DHCP. Don't worry if your LAN is dedicated to this task, you can still use the router for Wi-Fi as long as you disable its DHCP. Once you've set up this direct connection, configure your computer's Ethernet interface with a static IP address and set up a DHCP server on the computer to offer the correct lease. If you're using Linux, tools like Trademarks can help you achieve this seamlessly. Remember, the TFTP server address is not configured as a DHCP option, so you'll need to set it separately using the provided code snippet. In summary, we've tackled the issue of flashing firmware using TFTP from the elusive 0.0.0.0 address by setting up a direct connection between your device and computer. By configuring the Ethernet interface with a static IP address and using a DHCP server like Trademarks to offer the correct lease, you can ensure a smooth firmware flashing process. I hope this solution helps you out with your own device flashing endeavors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Remember, a little bit of networking magic can go a long way. Hope to see you in the next one.